Hello and welcome to our channel. In our last video of the NDO 365 series, we already introduced our Teams at Notes plugin and showed you how to easily create Microsoft Teams meetings from your Notes calendar. Today we want to share with you the new authentication method that we have integrated into our Teams at Notes plugin. As you can see, we have already created a new meeting in our Notes calendar. In order to save the meeting and to provide the participants with a link to the Teams meeting, we have to register with Microsoft Teams. In order to do so in the previous version of the plugin, you had to store your Microsoft credentials in the preferences of your Notes client. With our new authentication method, this is no longer necessary, because now when you send a meeting invitation for the first time, an authentication window appears in which you enter your Microsoft credentials. Here we use the OAuth protocol with OpenID Connect, which is commonly used in Microsoft apps and generates access and refresh tokens in the background to log you into Teams for a certain period of time. If we now create another meeting within this period, the authentication window will not appear because the refresh token saves you from having to log on to Teams again. This way you don't have to sign up every time you want to send a Teams invitation. We would like to keep you up to date on the new features of our Teams at Notes plugin on this channel. If you want to learn more about the integration options of HCL Notes, Domino and MS Office 365, visit us on our website www.itwu.de.